Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and receive money in Wise account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there are two methods on the Wise app. Go to your balance and select the currency you want to receive money in. So USD, EUR, or GBP, and then tap get account details or similar, and then you might need to verify your identity or add a small amount of money for currencies like GBP or USD to unlock these. Provide these local details: account number, routing number, IBAN, SWIFT, bank, and then name and address to the sender, who can then pay you like a local bank transfer. The second way is to simply go ahead and select request from the home screen, search for the other Wise user by their email, phone number, or Wise tag, and then select anyone to create a payment link for non-Wisers. Enter the amount, add a note, and generate the link or QR code. Send the link or QR code to the payer. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button.